After FTX, rebuilding trust in crypto's founding mission for an industry built on the principle of decentralization, we had a lot of trust in one 30-year-old. Understanding why is key to a more sustainable future for crypto. By Noah Lakeson, Layer 2 No 14, 2022 at 7:33 p.m. Utkby Noah Lakeson, Layer 2 No 14, 2022 at 7:33 p.m. After one of the most dramatic weeks in crypto history, in which a large and highly regarded trading platform was revealed to be engaging in shady financial management, resulting in a multi-billion-dollar balance sheet hole and the bankruptcy of over 130 related companies, we're left wondering how this could happen in an industry created to obviate the need for trust. That question is naive. However, while details are starting to emerge around how much money was moved where and why, the underlying reason is this: we chose to trust. Noah Lakeson is the former head of research at CoinDesk and Genesis Trading. This article is excerpted from her Crypto is Macro Now newsletter, which focuses on the overlap between the shifting crypto and macro landscapes. These opinions are hers, and nothing she writes should be taken as investment advice. The instinctive reaction, then, familiar to all who have had trust broken, will be to vow to never be that vulnerable again. In finance, we do now have the technology to facilitate a relatively trust-free financial relationship with atomic swaps, transfer monitoring and balance verification. But, just as our bruised souls almost always eventually recover from personal disappointment, and follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.